Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be talking about the CESS network. I'm Crypto Insider, and if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe. And if you've been watching my videos, thank you for watching. The CESS network is the first layer 1 for infinite data storage and millisecond execution. So it's powering lots of things. It's powering DeSci, it's powering AI, and it's powering the PIN innovation. So this is like a multi-faceted network. So you can see here, it said the CESS, the share airdrop alert. The feature of decentralized storage is here, and we are giving you a piece of it. So earn free CESS by joining our exclusive airdrop and securing your spot in the next gen Web3 storage revolution. So airdrop is sure. So it started on the 3rd of March, so it's not still overcrowded yet. They want to take part in this airdrop and accumulate as much points as possible so that you'll be getting a decent allocation. The link to this airdrop will be in my description, so do well to join and maximize it properly. So clicking on my link will bring you to this interface, that's this login page. So you can decide to sign in with your email or use X. So I'm signing in with my email. Okay, but first you have to accept this, then use your email. So just put in your email, then send code. So this 6-digit code will be sent to your email. So I'll be going back to my email now to copy the 6-digit code. I found my code in the spam folder, just in case if you don't see yours, you can check the spam folder for it. So next, okay, we are logged in now. So this airdrop is quite easy, so just complete all these tasks to get much points as possible. So if you invite friends, you'll be getting 100 points per verified invitation here. So if you invite friends, you can get 100 points per referral. So you can copy your link over here, copy, that's your referral link. Then if you check in daily, let me check in. Yes, so if you check in daily, you get 10 points per check-in, and for the first day, and then continues to be 20 points. Then this quiz here, quiz challenge here, costs 100 points. If you complete the quiz, you get 100 points. And the answers to this quiz will be my Telegram channel. So do well to join my Telegram channel so that I can get and answer these questions correctly. Then if you follow the X page, you get 30 points, daily retweet 10 points, join Telegram 20 points, and Discord. You can also get to change your profile for 20 points. So this airdrop is quite easy. So here you can get to see this ranking, get to see who is ranking top in the leaderboard, and then over here at wallets, you can get to see your wallet address where you can send and receive tokens. Also do well to export your private key, ensure that nobody sees your private key when you export it and save it in your Google Keep or write it down, because that's what we'll be able to use to retrieve your wallet in case if you lose it. So this is where you see the record of all your tasks and everything you've done. I think that's it for this airdrop. That's it for this. Remember that airdrop is sure, but the date has not been revealed yet. So do well to maximize and get all these points. If there's any new update on this airdrop, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you can get information from me when I post it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.